Okay, first things first, we need to get the correct version of Unity installed on our machines. So go to this link here, it should be on your screen, and it should also be included in a link that you're given. Once you're on the Unity Hub site, click on the 2022 filter and scroll down. You should see a lot of different versions for Unity here. The one we're looking for is 2022.3.28F1, and you can see that's right here. Go ahead and click on Install. If you don't have Unity Hub, you can also just get Unity Hub from the site here. Once you've clicked Install, you should see this come up. As you go through it, it's going to ask you which modules you want to select. In our case, we're going to want the Android build support, the iOS build support, the Linux build support mono version, the Mac build support mono version, and the Windows build support IL2 CPP. Side note, if you miss any of these now, don't worry, the SDK will actually tell you which ones you're missing, and you can always go back and install those later. I'll show you how to do that near the end of the video. So after a little bit, your Unity version should be installed and it should have the correct modules. We need to load up our Unity SDK. To do that, go to this link. It should also be provided for you, but you can pause it here and type it in if you want to. This page is actually our GitHub page for the SDK. It also contains a small guide and a couple tips for getting started. Go ahead and scroll down to the manual project installation section. Click on the highlighted here text. That'll be the download link. This will download a Unity project that is already set up, containing our SDK tools. Extract it somewhere convenient on your machine. We're going to need to get it later. Go back to the Unity Hub. Now that that's open and we have our project extracted, we just need to add that project to the list and open it. To do this, go to the Projects tab on the Unity Hub and click on the Add button. You'll see a small pop-up. Select Add Project from Disk. Navigate to where we saved that project earlier and go ahead and select that folder, Add Project. You should now see that project in your list, and all you have to do now is click on it to open it. Once Unity loads, all you have to do is log in with your Endless account, which you should have already made through the website, and you should be good to go. You can now start using the tools. So I mentioned before that you might have accidentally forgotten one of the modules. If you load the SDK, you should be able to see under the tileset module which ones you're missing. So let's go back to the hub and go to our install of Unity, the specific version that we needed to grab, and click on the gear icon. You should be able to say add modules. Now we're going to go back in there, we're going to find whichever modules we're missing, and we're going to check those boxes and install them. After a little bit, it should be done, and you should be able to open Unity again after restarting it, and you will see that it is no longer giving you that warning message.